In this video, I'm doing a little easy summer cooking. So if you're interested in seeing what I prepared today, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and this is your first time visiting my channel. Welcome! I am so glad you decided to stop in. If you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And today I am continuing on with my easy summer meals. Now, I'm using the HelloFresh box meals that I received in the mail, but these recipes are very, very simple. So if you want to see what I'm preparing for this meal, you know what to do. Of course, stick around. Now, I'm not going to talk much. I'm just going to go ahead and cook my meal, and I'll be back at the end. Now that everything is ready, let's put this plate together. So I already have the carrots on there, and this chicken, Parmesan chicken, looks good. You add sour cream on the top, and I forgot to show you guys that part. And then here is the couscous. Now, I've never had couscous before, but my daughter says it's like rice. So I was interested in trying it. So here how it all turned out. And I might add the couscous tastes good with the lemon juice from the lemon that I squeezed on there. And the chicken, oh, it was so great. I think this is a meal that you will enjoy. So if you like what I did, leave me a comment down below and give your girl a thumbs up. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying you be blessed.